Today's standards for food processing and packaging safety are complex and constantly changing. Keeping up with multiple regulatory authorities and ever-evolving safety requirements can be challenging, but to risk non-compliance is clearly not an option. For high-performance MRO chemicals that reduce risk across the entire food processing and packaging spectrum, there is one name that plant safety professionals can consistently count on: CRC. A global leader in maintenance chemical research and development for more than 5 decades, CRC makes it our business to stay ahead of the curve on the latest trends, policies, and regulations for food processing and packaging. With CRC on your team, manufacturing operations stay focused on productivity, and plant safety professionals have a proactive partner in regulatory compliance and risk reduction. CRC has more than 300 NSF registered products, each formulated for professional-grade performance. And only CRC offers the Stoplight Food Safety Program. Developed to minimize MRO chemical risk across the entire supply chain, CRC's Stoplight Program helps all food and packaging functions by ensuring proper product usage and full regulatory compliance. Products, programs, performance. The partner for today's food safety processing and packaging professionals, CRC. Visit our websites today for more information about CRC and the Stoplight Food Safety Program.